Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, your ultimate destination for the world's most stunning luxury homes. Today, we're taking you inside an absolutely breathtaking $5 million dream home that perfectly blends modern elegance with timeless design. From the moment you see this property, you'll understand why it stands in a class of its own. Let's get started. As we approach the home, you're immediately greeted by a grand exterior that sets the tone for what's inside. The combination of natural stone, wood accents, and large glass windows creates a powerful first impression. The brown, gray, and cream color palette gives the home a warm yet sophisticated feel, while the landscaped driveway and luxury cars parked outside add to the overall exclusivity. Now, let's step inside. The entrance is nothing short of spectacular. A double-height foyer welcomes you with elegant lighting, clean architectural lines, and a sense of openness that flows throughout the entire house. The marble flooring beneath your feet reflects the natural light pouring in, instantly giving you that luxury feel. Moving forward, we enter the dining area. This space is designed for both family moments and high-end entertaining. A long dining table sits at the center, surrounded by designer chairs, while a stunning chandelier hangs above, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. This is the kind of place where unforgettable dinners happen. Right next to it is the heart of the home, the kitchen. This modern kitchen is a masterpiece. Featuring a large marble island, built-in appliances, and sleek cabinetry in soft brown and gray tones, it perfectly balances functionality and style. The lighting is carefully designed to highlight every detail, making the space feel both luxurious and comfortable. Whether you're cooking or hosting, this kitchen delivers on every level. Now let's explore the living room. This is where comfort meets elegance. The space is filled with natural light thanks to floor-to-ceiling windows, and the neutral color scheme creates a calm and relaxing environment. Plush sofas, modern decor, and subtle lighting make it the perfect place to unwind or entertain guests. Heading upstairs, we enter the private quarters of the home. The master bedroom is truly a retreat. With a king-size bed, soft textures, and a soothing color palette, this space is designed for ultimate relaxation. Large windows provide beautiful views while allowing natural light to flood the room. And now, the master bathroom. This is where luxury reaches another level. Featuring marble walls, a modern bathtub, and a glass-enclosed shower, the bathroom feels like a private spa. Every detail, from the lighting to the fixtures, has been carefully selected to create a premium experience. Let's check out the additional bedrooms. Each bedroom in this home is designed with comfort and style in mind. Spacious layouts, modern finishes, and large windows make every room feel bright and welcoming. These spaces are perfect for family members or guests, offering both privacy and luxury. Now, moving on to something special, the home gym. This fully equipped fitness space allows you to stay active without ever leaving your house. With modern equipment, mirrored walls, and stylish lighting, it feels like a high-end fitness studio right at home. Next, we head to the garage. This isn't just a parking space, it's a showcase. With polished floors, clean design, and ample space for luxury vehicles, the garage perfectly complements the overall style of the home. Now let's step outside. The outdoor area is where this property truly shines. A beautifully designed garden surrounds the home, offering a peaceful escape from the busy world. There's a stylish swing area where you can relax and enjoy the fresh air, making it perfect for quiet mornings or evening sunsets. And of course, the highlight, the swimming pool. This stunning pool area is paired with a modern outdoor TV lounge, creating the ultimate entertainment space. Imagine relaxing by the pool, watching your favorite shows, or hosting unforgettable parties with friends and family. The ambient lighting at night transforms this space into something truly magical. Finally, let's talk about the overall vibe of this home. Every corner of this property has been designed with attention to detail. The brown, gray, and cream color theme runs consistently throughout, creating a cohesive and luxurious atmosphere. It's not just a house, it's a lifestyle. This $5 million dream home offers everything you could ever want: space, style, comfort, and pure luxury. That's it for today's tour. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another incredible home tour from American Dream Mansions.